Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Good Governance Day. 25th December marks the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, observed as Good Governance Day. The day honors Vajpayee's leadership and services to society, particularly his contributions to governance. Vajpayee served as India's Prime Minister thrice, with his last tenure from 1999 to 2004. On 23rd December 2014, he was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna alongside Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now shifted to Noida. Drishti IAS is in Noida now. IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course first offline batch in English medium. The admissions are open. The address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida near Metro Station Noida Sector 15. For any query give us a call at 87501 The Narendra Modi government declared 25th December as Good Governance Day in honor of Vajpayee's legacy. Significance of Good Governance Day. Good Governance Day celebrates and promotes the principles of transparent, accountable and efficient governance. It aims to ensure that citizens receive fair treatment and benefit from various government services. The day emphasizes the importance of active public engagement with government functions. Its goal is to bridge the gap between the public and the government, fostering better communication and understanding. This initiative helps strengthen the democratic fabric by emphasizing citizens' rights and responsibilities. Good Governance Week and its celebration. The Good Governance Week Susashan Saptah celebrations began on December 19 and conclude on December 25. The initiative was first introduced during the 75th Independence Anniversary celebrations, Amrit Mahotsav, in 2021. The week-long events aim to spread the concept of good governance from districts to villages. Several initiatives are undertaken during the week to demonstrate the government's commitment to accountable governance. The fourth edition of Susashan Saptah focuses on promoting good governance across the country. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the Good Governance Week also known as? Susashan Mahotsav, Susashan Saptah, Governance Gyan or Governance Day? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.